Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Karishma and let's talk about what is the recovery of a rhinoplasty. Now, once a rhinoplasty procedure is done, you will experience a little bit of pain and discomfort in the first maybe 2 to 3 days. There will be a nose plaster which will be sitting on top of your nose and along with certain nose tapes. Now this nose plaster will be on for about 7 days and after a week we take off the nose plaster. The pain, a nasal stuffiness, a little bit of discomfort will be seen and felt in the first 2 to 3 days. Now most commonly one will experience a little bit of swelling, and this swelling is usually seen around the nose and in the upper part of the face. Usually around the eyes you may notice some swelling, a little bit of bruising around the eyes and a little bit of redness. You may feel like someone has punched you in the eye, and we sometimes call it the raccoon eyes. But there's nothing to worry about that because it will gradually subside within the 2 to 3 weeks. After 1 week of the rhinoplasty, we will remove your nose plaster and the nose tapes. We will clean the nose. We will clean the inside of the nose around the nostril area. There will be few stitches on the outer side of the nose, usually between the nostrils. Those stitches will be taken off also by the 5th to 6th day, and you will feel much better at the end of that 1 week. All our patients are instructed to sleep in an upright position in the first 1 week to 10 days after the procedure. This is to reduce the swelling on the upper part of the face. You also take steam inhalation about 2 to 3 times a day. Ice packs can be placed over the top of upper half of the face or around the eyes in order to reduce your pain and your swelling. Pain medications are provided along with antibiotics, which you will have to take for the first 5 days. There will be a formation of sometimes blood clots inside the nostrils and excess amount of phlegm or secretions coming out of the nose, but there's nothing to worry about that, and that is very common in all the patients who undergo a rhinoplasty or a rhinoseptoplasty procedure. We usually provide you with certain nasal sprays and there is certain saline sprays that we give you, and these saline sprays are sprayed in the nose every 1 hourly or 2 hourly. Nasal drops or nasal sprays are used twice a day, and this helps to relieve that congestion and relieves the secretions of the nose. After a rhinoplasty surgery, most of our patients go home the same day, and it is a daycare procedure, and it all depends upon the intensity or the extent of rhinoplasty procedure done. If it's a very long procedure, some patients do stay overnight with us. Rhinoplasty is a very safe procedure. It is done under anesthesia. You are not awake during the procedure. Many people are scared about the procedures on the nose. Yes, it is the central feature of the face and it's extremely crucial to balance out your facial aesthetics, but it's extremely safe done in a good operating theatre facility under the guidance of a good experienced anesthetist and with good surgical hands. So be rest assured that at Dr. Karishma Aesthetics, you will have a very safe and secure rhinoplasty surgery. All of you obviously are very anxious and you want to know when to expect the best results of a rhinoplasty. So the best results of a rhinoplasty is usually at 3 to 4 months. Now you will see a change in your nose the moment I remove the nose plaster at the first week. However, due to the swelling and bruising, some amount of the results are obscured, and the best results are seen as time goes by, and by second month and the third month you're likely to see the best results when all the swelling starts to settle. It is recommended after rhinoplasty surgery to avoid any strenuous gym activities, sports activities, as well as strenuous strength training for the first 6 to 8 weeks. This is mainly because we want to avoid any kind of sudden trauma to your nose. So you can do your daily work, your daily routine, probably light cardio exercises or maybe walking, maybe by the 3rd week a light jogging, but all sports and gym activities should be started after 6 weeks. So if you would like to know more about rhinoplasty, do follow our YouTube channel Dr. Karishma Aesthetics. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe to our channel and watch more videos and latest updates.